Metal fabrication is a cornerstone of modern industry, encompasses the processes of cutting, bending, shaping, and assembling metal components to create finished products. Metal fabrication plays a vital role in shaping the world around us. The art of metal fabrication dates back to ancient civilizations, with evidence of metalworking techniques dating as far back as 4000 BC. Early civilizations utilized rudimentary tools and techniques to shape copper, bronze, and iron, crafting weapons, tools, and ornaments. The development of new technologies, such as the invention of the forge, the bellows, and the hammer, revolutionized metal fabrication, allowing for greater precision and complexity in the creation of metal objects. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant turning point, with the introduction of steam power and the development of new machinery, such as the rolling mill and the press brake, enabling mass production of metal components. Today, metal fabrication has evolved into a highly sophisticated and technologically advanced field, incorporating advanced machinery, computer-aided design, and computer-aided manufacturing systems to achieve unparalleled precision and efficiency. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of metal table legs ideas and other metal fabrication project ideas you can consider making. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Metal table legs are a popular choice for a variety of table styles, offering a range of benefits over traditional wooden legs. Metal table legs are precisely crafted supports made from various metals, such as steel, which is strong, durable, and versatile, often used for industrial and modern styles. Aluminum, which is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and often used for contemporary and outdoor furniture. Iron, which provides a rustic, vintage look, often used for farmhouse and industrial styles. Brass, which adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, often used for traditional and antique styles. Advantages of metal table legs include durability, stability, versatility, etc. Metal is inherently strong and resistant to wear and tear, making it ideal for high traffic areas and heavy use. Metal legs provide excellent stability, especially for larger tables. Metal legs are available in a wide range of styles, finishes, and designs to suit any aesthetic. Aluminum legs are particularly lightweight, making them easy to move and transport. Some metals, like aluminum, are naturally resistant to rust and corrosion, making them suitable for outdoor use. Metal legs are generally easy to clean with a damp cloth or mild detergent. The processes of metal fabrication. Metal fabrication involves a wide range of processes, each tailored to specific applications and desired outcomes. Some of the most common processes include 1. Cutting. Cutting of metals could be achieved by using shears, plasma cutters, laser cutters, water jet cutters, or sawing. Shearing is a process that uses a pair of blades to cut metal sheets into desired shapes. Plasma cutting is a high-temperature plasma arc is used to melt and cut through metal. Laser cutting is a focused laser beam is used to cut precise shapes and intricate designs. Water jet cutting is a high-pressure water jet, sometimes mixed with abrasive materials, is used to cut through metal. Sawing is a process that uses a saw blade to cut metal into specific lengths or shapes. 2. Bending. Bending of metals could be achieved by press brakes, roll benders, or hand bending, among others. Press brake bending is a machine that uses a hydraulic press to bend metal sheets into desired angles. Roll bending is a process that uses rollers to bend metal sheets into curved shapes. Hand bending is a manual process that uses specialized tools to bend metal sheets. 3. Forming. Forming of metals could be achieved by stamping, extrusion, forging or spinning. Stamping is a process that uses a die to create specific shapes and patterns in metal sheets. Extrusion is a process that forces metal through a die to create a specific shape. Forging is a process that uses a hammer or press to shape metal by applying heat and pressure. Spinning is a process that uses a lathe to shape metal into round or cylindrical forms. 4. Joining. Joining of metals is what gives the structure its desired structural strength. It could be achieved by welding, bolting, riveting, or adhesive bonding. Welding is a process that uses heat to fuse two pieces of metal together. Bolting is a process that uses bolts and nuts to connect metal components. Riveting is a process that uses rivets to join metal components. Adhesive bonding is a process that uses adhesives to join metal components. 5. Finishing. Finishing is the final touch to give the metal fabrication project a beautiful and often glossy look. This could be achieved by painting, powder coating, anodizing, or plating. Painting is applying paint to protect metal surfaces from corrosion and enhance aesthetics. Powder coating is a process that applies a dry powder coating to metal surfaces, creating a durable and aesthetically pleasing finish. Anodizing is a process that creates a protective oxide layer on aluminum surfaces, enhancing durability and aesthetics. Plating is a process that applies a thin layer of another metal to the surface of a metal component, enhancing corrosion resistance, conductivity, or aesthetics. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked metal table legs ideas and other metal fabrication project ideas you can consider making. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.